Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Google Nano Banana AI image generator tool step by step. Open web browser and type AI-studio-google.com and hit enter. Click Nano Banana. Let's start by generating an image using just a text prompt. Here, I type realistic photo of a workspace with laptop and coffee cup, natural lighting. And instantly, the AI creates a photo that looks exactly like a real workspace scene. Next, I'm going to upload an image and edit it with AI. In this picture, we have a deer. I'll ask the tool to change it into a tiger. The result shows a tiger, but notice, it still has antlers because the AI blended features from the original image. Now, let's refine it with another command. I simply type remove antler. This time, the AI corrects the image and gives us a clean, realistic-looking tiger without the antlers. And that's how easy it is to create and modify images using Google Nano Banana AI image generator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks.